2700 house is a unique residence designed by IGArchitects, located in Saitama, Japan. This house covers only 65 square meters and was built in 2023 for a young couple seeking a functional home on a narrow and elongated site. With a width of just 2.7 meters and a depth of 16 meters, this house is the result of utilizing leftover land due to road expansion. The main uniqueness of 2700 house lies in how the interior and exterior spaces interact. By taking advantage of the building's depth, the architects created a harmonious relationship between indoor and outdoor areas, despite the very limited site. The house's structure consists of 8 pillars supporting a concrete box, giving it a floating and lightweight appearance, despite being made of solid concrete. The first floor is designed as a flexible space, allowing various functions according to the occupant's needs. Meanwhile, the second floor serves as a private area. The advantage of an open site on the south, north, and west sides allows natural light to enter from multiple directions. As a result, windows are installed on all 4 sides of the building, creating optimal natural lighting and a dynamic spatial atmosphere. Upon entering the first floor, residents experience a cave-like ambiance with tall walls and large pillars, providing a sense of solidity. However, as they move further inside, the windows become closer, establishing a stronger connection with the surrounding environment. The carefully arranged floors and windows control the relationship between interior and exterior, offering a sense of openness and freedom. In contrast, the second floor features smaller windows and a lower ceiling, creating a more intimate and cozy atmosphere. This contrast establishes a balance between openness and warmth, where both spaces complement each other. In this house, with a width of only 2,700 millimeters, circulation space also becomes a living space. Scattered furniture and varying floor levels create an ambiguity in spatial divisions, where the kitchen area can serve as a dining space, a slightly farther section can act as a hallway, and then transition into a living area. There are no rigid separations between these zones, allowing a continuous spatial experience that extends outward. Due to its minimalist frontage, the building seamlessly integrates the external environment into the interior, creating a soft ambiance despite its sturdy concrete structure. Weather, temperature, and natural light influence the interior atmosphere, providing a constantly changing spatial experience. In terms of form, the building adopts simple geometry, yet the floating mass of concrete gives it a unique and somewhat contrasting appearance. The gaps in the structure, seemingly the result of a separated concrete box, provide a strong identity while also protecting the occupants from external elements. Despite being built on a small urban plot, this house successfully creates a sense of spaciousness and comfort that surpasses its actual size. By adjusting floor levels and establishing a close connection with outdoor spaces, 2700 House proves that spatial limitations are not a barrier to crafting a comfortable and inspiring home.